In life, there is time of struggling or there is a year of struggling. Yes, it happens because we are human beings. When you are going tough times, it's not about another person is going tough times. We are going in tough times in different times because we have to accept your situation now that you don't have a job and you have to find a job, or your business is not going well. You have to find the way to have a good business that pays you better. So sometimes you have to accept your situation. Don't compare yourself and another people's life. That's why those people, their own things are going well. Yes, other people, they can judge you or to laugh at you about your situation. Yes, because they are not in same situation and our mind is not the same. The way you are thinking and the way they are thinking is different. So we are going in tough times at different times. Even those people, they are laughing at you that their own things are okay. Those people at that time, they are going tough times. You are not there, but they are going tough times. Guys, people, we are going tough times in different times because we are human beings. It's not about things are okay every time. Sometimes you can be stressed or depressed by your situation, but it will okay one day because you have to find the way to sit down and draw the map again to see that what are you going to do with your life to find the solution about your situation.